Okay, quick tip. Finger flashing versus finger freezing. Both of the terms are used in math expressions, mostly in kindergarten through second grade, and even mostly in kindergarten, a lot there, and some in first, and then a little bit in second grade. So let me tell you the differences. Finger flashing is when we're going to flash our tens, and we always do this with kinesthetic place value. So it's not just flashing tens in front of us. It's always doing place value. So our tens to our left and our ones to our right. So when I finger flash 22, it's 10, 20, freeze, because we're making a very distinct moment of we are changing from the tens to the ones. So 10, 20, freeze, 21, 22. So we are automatically flashing each of those numbers, but we're counting up. That's a finger flash. So if it's 37, 10, 20, 30, freeze, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Then if we're going to do a finger freeze, that's a little bit different in that we use them for teen numbers. So if we're doing, tell me the teen number starting at 11, it would be 10 and 1 is 11. 10 and 2 is 12. So notice the difference. We're not counting up on a finger freeze. It's just showing that number. And that means a finger freeze is also like automatic fingers. So in kindergarten, we'll show them our giant yellow cards. Let's see if I have one here. And when I show them their cards, we want automatic fingers. So we actually don't want them to say 1, 2, 3 for this particular quick practice. We just want them to go 3. We want them to practice automaticity. So with a teen number like 13, 10 and 3 make 13. And so sometimes I'll have students freeze. So let's say it's 10 and 7, right? 10 and 7 make 17. Finger check, make sure you have 7 fingers over here, right? Because oftentimes you'll see all sorts of things that aren't 7. So that's the main difference. Finger flashing, we're going to flash our 10s and we're going to count up on our 1s. On finger freeze, we're going to flash our 10s and have automatic 1s over here. Same thing as automatic fingers. Hope that helps. It is important and it's kinesthetic place value. So do your 10s on the left.